So now coming to the question answers that are given on based on this passage. The first question is, the following is a summary of the first two paragraphs. Here a passage is given and which is the summary of the first two paragraphs of the comprehension. Read it through and fill in each of the spaces with one word only. Now here they are asking that they have given a summary of the paragraph, but they have left some words in between. So you have read the paragraphs, now you understood what they are talking about. So based on that information, we have to fill the correct words here in this passage. Now I'm reading the passage, the paragraph that is given here. Bad habits such as overeating, drinking or smoking are very, the first word would be easy. These habits are very easy to acquire. One should fight against. For the second fill in the blank, the word will be fight, because it is given here at the last of the first paragraph that this is called the force of habit, and the force of habit should be fought against. So here it is written, one should dash against the force of habit. So the answer would be fight. One should fight against the force of habit. Even good things can be harmful. For the third one, the answer will be harmful when done to excess. If you are doing something very much, then if you are working too much, then also it is harmful. If you are taking too much rest, then also it is harmful. If you are not sleeping, then it is also harmful. If you are sleeping too much, then it is also harmful. The wise men dash any any bad habit promptly. The wise men remembers any bad habit promptly. One, two, three, four. Four fill in the blanks. These are the four answers. Okay. Now, the second question here is, when was tobacco introduced in Europe? Who introduced it? So, here the answer is given in the third paragraph. Second line, it was brought into Europe from America by Sir Walter Raleigh 4 centuries ago. So here the first question is, when was tobacco introduced in Europe? So for this question, the answer will be, the tobacco was introduced in Europe 4 centuries ago. And who introduced it? The name is given here. Sir Walter Raleigh introduced it. Now, the third question, in what ways is the use of alcohol harmful? We have just discussed the harmful effects of the alcohol. So, if you want to write this in your own language, you can also write, but you cannot use the things that are not given in the paragraph. Here, if you look at the last paragraph, last sentence, it affects the liver, it weakens the mental powers and lessens the general energy of the body. So you can write the answer. Alcohol is harmful because it affects the liver, it weakens the mental powers and lessens the general energy of the body. So you can include only these 3 points. Even if you know any other harmful effect of the alcohol, you are not going to mention that here, because here you are answering the questions on based on the information that is given in the passage. Now, the last question is here, complete these sentences. Here, two incomplete sentences are given, and again on the basis of the information given in the comprehension, you have to complete these two sentences. The first one is, the use of alcohol is more common in. So you will write cool and cold climates, then hot ones. Cool and cold climates for the first blank, and for the second one, hot ones. Then the hot ones. The second is, in India, alcohol should not be consumed by the people and it should be avoided. Or you can simply write, in India, alcohol should be avoided by the people. So all these are the question answers that we have discussed. Again,